Hold on, bro. Do a burnout. What's up, guys? Welcome to the video today. We're going a little off course here. My buddy Jay just picked up, well, he got a Father's Day present. And what is this, a Thrustmaster? Just look at this thing. This thing is legit. Look, you got the seat belts and everything. Well, they don't go anywhere, but complete simulation. Wheel, was it a Thrustmaster wheel?
Yeah, Thrustmaster wheel.
Which one? You said it was like the beginner one, right?
Yeah, TMX.
Thrustmaster TMX. Dude, I'm excited to try this thing. And what game?
Assetto Corsa.
Assetto Corsa. I've only seen about this online. I've never played it before, but should be fun.
Yeah, you're gonna like it.
Dude, I've never gotten on a wheel before, so this is like...
This is my third day on it, and it's different, dude.
Kicking your ass.
It works your arms out for sure.
Word. That's crazy. I don't even know if you can be able to... Yeah, you can read all that. It's just saying all the specs and everything. What are we driving? An FD? FD? He's a big rotary guy. I mean, he's Puerto Rican. You know? You always gotta have that one friend. And my friend is him. So this game is like full-blown simulation, like the realest thing you can get, essentially. I don't know what else is out there, but goodness, I stalled it already. Which way, right?
Yep, right, straight through there, and then hard right.
This thing really fights you.
Yeah.
Let me put this back on, get the full effect. Yo, the only thing you need now is like
I need the handbrake.
VR goggles.
Yeah.
Oops. Yeah, that's crazy. It's like throwing the car around.
What happened?
Jesus.
Your shit just went.
Oops. Yeah, this is actually tough, like, or I just really suck. I'm gonna do a burnout. Okay, at this point I'm just like messing around, dude. Like, this is so...
It's hard, dude.
It's weird.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about destroying your car. Where's reverse at? Ooh, and I'm stalling. Dude, that's crazy how like the whole steering wheel and everything just like vibrates.
Yeah. Just like if it would, you know what I mean, if you're in low RPMs.
Say what?
I said it does just like in a roll car. If you're getting ready to stall, like it bucks.
Yeah. Ooh, I did not ref match.
Hit
You might as well turn the damage off.
hit A and bring up the map. That way you have guidance on like where you're going on the track. Right there. It gives you, yeah. That way you can look down, you know what I mean? And kind of.
Yeah, so you got all that turned off. Dude, this thing just gets sideways like so easy.
Yeah.
This is tough. You got any other cars? At least this game didn't mess up the sound of an
Oh yeah.
RX-7 the way Forza did.
Yeah.
Well, gosh dang it. Dude, this is one of those things, like, it would take you hours to get used to.
Yeah. It took me a while to start, like, this is probably the hardest track to do, too.
Oh, yeah, the Nürburgring?
Yeah.
Like my sweet drift skills. I'm driving it like a Honda. Dude, that is so sensitive. Well, gosh dang it, I didn't money shift that time. Dude, I'd be like putting a
Yeah.
support under that.
Yeah, I'm gonna. I had to cut the wheel back too.
Oh, did you?
It was the guy I got it off of was super short. The wheel was like in my chest.
See, now did I just like mess the alignment up that bad from wrecking?
Yeah.
That, like,
Oh, your
the
wheel will
wheel's
be off.
sitting sideways?
Yeah, it gets
Look
worse.
at
It gets worse than that. Yeah.
Dude, it's crazy how you can see like the hood shaking. Oh, I was not ready for that turn. Yeah, dude, anytime you try to give it too much sauce,
Yeah.
like in that turn or through any turn,
Try to just shift quick to the next gear. It'll usually bite and catch itself.
shift higher gear or lower gear.
Like if you're starting to spin in second, just throw it to third.
Yeah.
It probably feels worse now that your alignment's all out of whack.
Oh yeah. Yeah, dude, little too much.
Yeah.
It just goes. Whacking off Revlander sounds so good in the headphones.
Yeah, it does.
Dude, third gear's money.
Mm-hmm.
Oop,
Money shifted.
Jeez. Alright.
I installed it. Oh, you killed the motor.
Oh, son of a
You actually blew it up.
Yeah, like I do every car in real life too. But alright, I'm letting Jay run this thing now. He's gonna show me how it's done. He's had a couple more days of practice. Does the wheel still feel the same?
Yeah.
So I just suck. Yeah, you're making it look way too easy.
It's a workout. With this crest, you know how the cars get airborne? You gotta tap your brake to keep the front end down.
Well, right before you go off. Yeah. I don't even think I made it this far before I killed the motor. Oh, you done lost it. You're looking like me out there.
Yeah.
Sucking it up. Now, is this like traction control and everything turned off?
Yeah. The traction's off, stability's off.
So you have no driving assist?
Just, I think ABS might be on. I'm not 100% sure.
That feed action. You tried to heel toe and you missed.
Yeah.
Oh wait, it's a 7-speed down here.
Yeah. That's the gear you missed. You went into the 7, so it's like a neutral in the 5.
Oh, okay.
It's a neutral.
You guys have never played one of these. It's tough. It's a lot harder than it looks. Way harder. Just takes a lot of practice, but wouldn't stop me from buying one. That's crazy. The thing is overheating. Says it right there, folks.
Look, temp gauge going down.
Yeah, that's wild. That's freaking wild. This whole thing's wild. How much does this usually cost? I mean, you got it for a steal. You got it for $500.
Yeah. I think this, you can get a wheel with the gas and brake pedal for like $199.
Oh, that's not bad.
But then this is like another 130. 3 pedals is like another 100 something. And then you gotta figure out something with the stand.
This looks
is like the beginner base. And
Yeah.
Like 2 other. I want the next one up, the TX. That one's like, that's like ripping arms off.
Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end it here. Ooh, look, he's getting it. He's getting it. He had a turn.
Yeah.
But if you guys are new to the channel, hit the like and subscribe button and turn on that bell for notifications. We'll see you guys next time.